Hello students, today we are going to continue with our chapter, our criminal justice system. Now dear students, you know that in India there is equality before law. All the citizens of the country are equal in the eyes of law. But at the same time, we cannot ignore that in India there are so many people who are poor, who are illiterate, and for them it is not possible to hire a lawyer in case if they are, if they are arrested for a crime which they have not done. So in this kind of a situation, our constitution guarantees those people the free legal aid. In India, all the citizens of the country are having right to life. Article 21 gives right to life to everyone. And similarly, when everyone is having right to life, it also includes that what will happen in case if they don't have the money to hire a lawyer and they are charged in the false case. This is what we have seen in the case of the domestic helper who was accused for stealing the gold chain. Though she has not stolen, but the police arrested her and she was presented in the court. Now, in such kind of a circumstances, Article 39A directs the state to provide the free legal aid to the poor and needy citizens. Now, who is the person who helps these kind of a people? It is the public prosecutor. What is the role of public prosecutor? The role of public prosecutor is very important, and we have seen this in case of Shanti, where the Shanti was accused by Mr. Sindhe and Mrs. Sindhe that she has stolen the chain, and police also found the evidence in the form of 10,000 rupees. Though she was claiming that she has saved this rupees from, she has saved all these rupees from whatever she and her brother was earning. But then also she was charged and she was presented in front of the judge. So what judge has given, what kind of a direction judge has given? Judge has asked the Shanti that whether she has committed the crime or not, and Shanti said, "No, I have not done, but I don't have the money to hire a lawyer." And then the judge said, directed the government to give her a lawyer. So this kind of a lawyer who is provided by the state, those lawyers are called public prosecutor, and their role is very important. So today's topic is, what is the role of public prosecutor? To become a public prosecutor, a person must have the degree of law. A lawyer has to have at least 7 years of practice at the bar to be eligible for the post of public prosecutor. The candidates for the post have to clear an examination which is conducted by the concerned state governments periodically. अगर कोई व्यक्ति पब्लिक प्रोसिक्यूटर बनना चाहता है तो सबसे पहले तो उसके पास वकालत की डिग्री होनी चाहिए और कम से कम 7 साल का काम करने का अनुभव भी होना चाहिए। और टाइम टू टाइम जो स्टेट गवर्नमेंट है वो एग्ज़ाम्स भी कंडक्ट करती रहती है ताकि उन्हें पता चले जो पब्लिक प्रोसिक्यूटर्स हैं वो अपडेट हैं कि नहीं, जो नए लॉज आए दिन पास होते हैं उससे। Now, the public prosecutor is a representative of the state or the government. The role of the public prosecutor begins after the police investigating officer has conducted the investigation and submitted the charge sheet in the court. The prosecutor conducts the prosecution on the basis of the charge sheet and on behalf of the state. It is his or her responsibility to act without fear or favor and furnish all facts, witnesses, and evidence before the court so as to punish the guilty and absolve the innocent. अगर हम देखें तो पब्लिक प्रोसिक्यूटर कौन होते हैं, तो पब्लिक प्रोसिक्यूटर एक्चुअली रिप्रेजेंटेटिव होते हैं स्टेट के, क्योंकि जब भी कोई क्रिमिनल केस होता है या जब भी कोई क्राइम होता है तो वो क्राइम पूरे समाज के लिए होता है, पूरे सोसाइटी के लिए होता है। तो इसलिए गवर्नमेंट जो है पब्लिक प्रोसिक्यूटर्स को अपॉइंट करती है। पब्लिक प्रोसिक्यूटर अपना काम कैसे शुरू करते हैं, तो उनका काम शुरू होता है जब जो इन्वेस्टिगेटिंग ऑफिसर होता है, जो पुलिस होती है, उन्होंने अपना इन्वेस्टिगेशन कंप्लीट कर लिया होता है और चार्जशीट जो है वो कोर्ट में दाखिल कर दिया होता है। पब्लिक प्रोसिक्यूटर जो होते हैं वो उसी चार्जशीट के बेसिस पे और जो एविडेंसेस पुलिस देती है, साथ ही साथ जो विटनेसेस होते हैं, उन सारे स्टेटमेंट्स को पढ़ती है, उन सभी लोगों के द्वारा दिया गया जो भी स्टेटमेंट है उसको क्रिटिकली एनालाइज करती है और एफआईआर की कॉपी को भी ठीक से पढ़ती है कि किसने कंप्लेन किया, घटना किस समय हुई थी, किस बिना पर पुलिस को यह लग रहा है, किस वजह से पुलिस को यह लग रहा है कि ये क्राइम इस व्यक्ति ने किया है, कि एक्यूज्ड ने किया है। ओके, और उसके बाद बिना किसी डर के, बिना किसी फेवर के सभी फैक्ट, सभी विटनेसेस और सभी एविडेंसेस कोर्ट के सामने पेश किया जाता है और जो पब्लिक प्रोसिक्यूटर होता है वो एक इम्पार्शियल व्यू अपना देता है, ताकि जो रियल में कल्प्रिट हो, जो रियल में गिल्टी हो, उसको पनिशमेंट मिले और अगर कोई आदमी इनोसेंट है तो वो छूट जाए। तो दिस इज़ द रोल ऑफ पब्लिक प्रोसिक्यूटर। ओके, थैंक यू।